Feels like I'm drowning, invisible, 'cause you can see me in the shadows.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for coming. Please hit that subscribe button and join me in my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I apply my eyelashes. I've never watched a video that has put on the eyelashes the way that I put them on, like with the technique that I use. So far, like I researched like some of the videos on YouTube, I didn't see anything, so I don't know if I'm the first one. I don't think so, but maybe. Anyways, this is the way that I do it. I think that it's way easier, it's really fast, and I didn't struggle as much as I did trying to put on the other way, where you put the glue first on the eyelashes and then you glue it onto your eyelid. So if you want to learn how to do it, keep on watching. First, I'm just gonna grab my eyelash glue. I use the Kiss strip lash. You know, it's the one that has kind of like the little wand at the end, like this. And you know, many people will have my eyelashes in a little egg because I always lose them. So as you all know, a lot of people, what they do is they actually grab the glue and they put it on the strip of the eyelash and then they put it on. But I noticed that I struggled a lot doing that, simply because sometimes I would grab the eyelash and then it would stick on like halfway up my eyelid. So what I do is I grab the eyelash glue. So instead of putting it on the eyelash, what I do is I put it on the actual eyelid. Like if it was eyeliner, where you want the lash to glue onto. And this is clear, so it's gonna dry clear. And if it's the black one, you won't notice because you're gonna put eyeliner on top of it either way. So I put the glue right where I want the eyelash to be. That way the eyelash has no option but to glue on to where I want it to glue on. You know, it won't go halfway up my eyelid because there's no glue on there for it to stick on. So I'm just gonna apply one less coat right there. And I already put mascara on my eyelashes. So then you're gonna wait for it to dry a little bit. It should turn, it's blue right now, and when it turns clear, you should be able to apply the eyelash on it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more at the end. Like that. So then I'm gonna wait for like about 30 seconds. Once it dries down, I just grab the eyelash and I literally stick it on to where the glue was in the first place. And then I just grab my tweezers and I make sure to put it where it's supposed to go. And then I just pat it down to make sure it matches right where your natural lashes are. So that's one eyelash done really quickly. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye.
The same technique that we use, so we're gonna, great job, Marias. Now it is gonna glue halfway up your eyelid.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side. We just put the glue exactly where we want the eyelash to be on, so that the mother trucker has no choice but to stick up in that place and not halfway up my eyelid, like how I usually did before I kind of started doing it this way. I was like, wow, this is so much easier, and the eyelash doesn't get everywhere. So I'm gonna wait for this side to dry. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing to this side. And then I just grab my tweezers and I make sure that everything is kind of in place. And then you can move it if you need to adjust where it lands. So that's literally it, guys. Like, it's really fast, it's really easy. I think it's really easy, easier than the other way where you have to actually put the glue on the eyelash. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this technique or the other technique better. Let me know if somebody else has done it this way, not that I know of, but maybe so. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and leave any video ideas that you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I pull up straight to the club and they all show me love, and we all on me and take. They keep on asking for liquor and bitches, they want me, they all compliment.